What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be laying some concrete brick. You can see I have a big pile right here, small pile. I think this is like 50. I bought them maybe about a week ago. I think I got 50 here, so should be enough to get me a long way. So we're going to be working on this little project that I've been working on underneath the front deck. The last time I made a video on this, I laid these 4-inch block all along here. So now I have the concrete brick that I'm going to fill in this little gap with. So I'll show you here. I'll grab a couple. So it's going to be pretty much the perfect space for these brick to go in there. Just like that. And like I said before in one of the previous videos, all this is going to be painted the same as the foundation, a dark brown. So once I have all the gaps filled in with this concrete brick and then paint it, everything will look really nice. Been working on this one thing at a time. So we're going to start on these concrete brick today. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on the next video. And do me a favor and drop a big thumbs up down below. Really helps out the video. So let's get into it, guys. Okay, got my mortar box here and got a good old hoe. I'm gonna start with just a 1 bucket of sand. The ratio is 2 to 1, 2 parts sand to 1 part mortar. I'm using Type S mortar. So if I'm using 1 bucket of sand, it's gonna be half bucket of Type S. Like I said, I'm gonna start with 1 bucket of sand and see how far that gets me. Alright guys, I'm going to start on this quarter. So I'm going to do my best to make sure that the joint is in the middle, right here, starting here. So I'm just figuring it out. I think this is how I'm going to do it, because then it should work out well for the end. And then I can start here and work that way. Let's get into it. Butter this one up. All right, guys, so this is what we got. Everything's all wet just because I just gave the truck and Escalade a quick bath. Now I got most of this side all filled in. I still got to do some stuff to fill in this corner. I got some work to do on this side and the other side, so I stopped for now. But that's what we got. Got that space all filled in. Was a nice gap there, but now it's all closed up. Working on this one step at a time. I got a plan in my head for what I want to do. But so guys, that's gonna be all for today. Hopefully this helps somebody out if you're planning on doing something similar. And yeah, guys, hope you have a great day. Peace.